Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis, guys. Straight to our quick analysis. So, but before we go on that quick analysis, as I said, we are just going to track our trades as we started actually yesterday. Né? So yesterday we started with 50 rands. So I will open this video. I will pause. Yeah, I will pause that. I think it will, I hope you can see that actually. So on that, you can see that I did deposit 51 rands, but I took some few trades which actually went in a loss because the market was just going crazy. Let me play this so that this can load nicely. Yeah, now maybe, let me pause so that you can see this nicely. Let's see, it's nice. I don't know why it's loading like this. Oh, my computer is quite slow. Okay, it's fine. So you can see that we deposited 51 rands. So I lost 14 rands because I took a buy and then the market started to go a little bit lower. And once I took a sell there, because I was just scalping, I saw that no man, this thing is now going down. Né? Sorry, going up. Then I had to close, but I still opened the other one. So I just wanted to show you this video as we track in this account. Actually, I want this account to grow to a point where I don't know, to a point where we can easily make a withdrawal. So after that, I had a nice buy, but this was just a scalping. So you can see that 36 rand that I left with there. So you can see there the account was now trying to go a little bit higher. Years later on, the market did reverse. You can see that. I don't know why this thing is reverse. It's raising like that. So this was the account that I closed today. I did not really open anything. I think we left with 230 something, 230 something, right? So this is what it was like last night around around that 7. Yeah, we left once I closed this account. It was around 230 something. So you can see that we're coming from 50 rands to 200 something. So which means maybe today, if I can have a very nice trades, I can make this account to be around 500 maybe, or let me just not over risk, but maybe let's say 300. If maybe we will be going like that, right? So that shows us that yes, you can actually grow a smaller account. So by the end of the week, unfortunately, we started yesterday, but maybe next week, Friday, we will be approaching 1,000. So, but that actually shows you that I was actually over risking. Already the account, it was quite smaller. So it means anything that I was trying to do there, it was just going to be like over risking. So here we have a heat map. You can easily see that companies were quite struggling and they've been like struggling for quite some time. We can see AMD -4 for almost 3 days now. Microsoft -2, Google -3, Apple, all these companies, they are actually going down, right? So, and I thought maybe I should be showing you this, but maybe this week or maybe the coming week, maybe we will see some sort of recoveries, and that is possible. That is possible. We might see some recoveries, and we actually welcome that. So now, when we go on our quick analysis, you can see that today is that day where we're going to get actually core PCE. It's very, very, very important around 2:30. This is quite similar to CPI, quite important. But the thing is, it seems like on the forecast or on the estimate, they say the numbers might go up here. Let's hope that this number doesn't really go up, because next week we're going to have interest rates and we want them to cut the rates. If maybe inflation is still going up, that is going to be a problem. They might, obviously we know that they might not really cut the rates next week. As they said, they might cut the rates around September. So we just need the numbers to confirm here, and that will help us to see that, you know what, now it's possible that they might cut the rates, right? So for those who wants to be part of the team, guys, we have this special which is going to end this week. That is the special that we have. You can join monthly, 6 months for these $8. You can pause that, or you can just WhatsApp me. Or maybe you can just scan that QR code or WhatsApp me there and just talk to me. We still have that special on the mentorship site for those who wants to learn. For those who wants to learn and do their own analysis, just to understand the market, to have that patience, to actually improve your trading mindset. Actually $150 while we're still busy with our website. So now on the dollar index, this shows the strength of the dollar, but you can see that we don't really have much. We don't really have much here. The market has been just consolidating around this level, but this level is actually a sort of a support area for quite some time, and the market is respecting that. So the question is, will the market actually will the market actually do what? Will the market actually go up? So it's up to the market. It's up to the market. So if it does go up here, it will mean that the dollar is gonna be quite strong, and maybe we will see the market going up like that. But since we have PCE, maybe things might change. Maybe things might change along the way, but I'm just waiting for that breakout, guys, because this thing has been on this nice uptrend for quite some time. But what we know is mostly economic news, guys, they don't really have enough power or momentum to break the trend lines, whether it's CPI or something like that. But I will be waiting for next week, whether things are looking good for September or not. I think next week is gonna be everything, and I hope they will be saying something positive, because they are going to be, or we're going to have some conference after they release the news. After they release the news, there will be a conference. I hope you understand that. So that conference is just there just to actually explain why they did not really cut the rates, or why they think maybe they will be cutting the rates on the next events and stuff like that. And you have to understand that. So sometimes, even though you're not trading the news mostly, you also have to understand or listen to that conference so that you understand what's really happening. And next time, it's not going to be a surprise, right? So now on USDJPY, we can see that we are no longer on that nice uptrend. The market just broke out, so we're expecting to see the market going down. That's what we expect at the moment. So once we go closer, for those who don't know, we did smash this one very nice. We did smash this one very nice. So on that account, guys, I don't really know what I can do, especially with the scalping, because when I scalp, sometimes it's difficult just to send the signals. I can take 4 or 5 signals very quick, and sometimes it can be difficult, you see, just to it can be difficult to update everyone every second, you see. So but I think I will find a way that when I take a signal, I will have to update everyone so that you can trade exactly as me, especially in our premium groups, right? So now on this USDJPY, obviously we smashed this one. Where we are, I think the market is creating a sort of a resistance. So I'm expecting a continuation of that sell. But today we will be waiting for PCE to be released, and then we will take some decision. I think maybe the dollars can still go even lower, but at the moment, already we know that we are on a downtrend, so we can't think otherwise. So actually, we're waiting to have a structure that we can actually sell, you see. So now on GBPUSD, this one is it's very nice on my side, because we are on a very nice support area. So the question is, will the market respect this support, or we can call it a previous resistance? So it seems like the market will be respecting that. I think the market will be respecting that, as I'm expecting to see a very nice bullish move. So because of the news, we can't just jump early there, because what if the market continues to go down? What if the dollar is going to be stronger? And on the calendar, we saw that it might be stronger. So we can't just risk unnecessarily. I hope maybe you see that. I hope you see that. So we can't just risk unnecessarily. We have to just wait and see what will happen before the release. The release of that PCE is going to be very, 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 very important. So now on gold, we can see that, no, man, we came in from a very nice structure. The market was on this aggressive bullish move there. We had this reversal. The market broke out. So now it seems like the market will be trying to respect certain levels. I think it's not necessarily, I don't really have to draw it like that. It's supposed to be here. So maybe I can just stretch this up to this point, right? But around this level, it also seems to be going to be a potential resistance. So it's up to the market to give us that. But let's go on 1 hour. Maybe you will see something. You will see something. So this is what we have. You see that? This is what we have here. You see that? I think maybe the market is respecting that level. But this, at the end of the day, it is actually a nice consolidation. Yes, we can easily see that the market is willing to go down. So, but at the moment, we just have to wait and see. If maybe we need to take that sell, we'll have to take that sell. But I thought maybe, or I think the market might end up trying to touch this area. It's possible. Once the market touches that level, we might start to go even lower. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30 has been going crazy also, guys. It's been going crazy. We had a nice buy pending order. The market triggered that, reversed, but this is a swing trade actually. This is supposed to be a swing trade. So this is what we have. We have a very nice structure. The market is going up, still on a very nice uptrend. So the market did not really follow exactly what Nasdaq was doing. Nasdaq was just going crazy. That's why it's reversing that aggressive. But it's because of AI boom and stuff like that. But we can see that on US30, we still have a proper structure. Even though we had this aggressive reversal, I think the market will end up going up. If you're still holding this in the group, please still keep holding that. I think the market might continue going up. But once you go in a very nice profit, don't forget to lock that, especially when we have some economic news later on. And I think today, maybe the market might start to reverse. Mostly it's like that. The market might go crazy for the whole week, and on Fridays the market mostly it will end up reversing. So now this is what we have on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq actually here it was playing games. I think it's better for us just to stay out at the moment, unless if you're scalping and unless if you understand what you're doing. But we can see that we had a very nice structure. The market broke out. Here we see the market actually consolidating, which means the market is just going up, down, very aggressive and very quick. So can you take some chances? Sometimes you can just scalp that. Let's be honest. You can take maybe a quick buy and get out. This is what I did actually, but the market reversed after. So, but it's difficult to send the signal around this area. So we can just say, let's play around this area, because with this type of a sell, I think even though the market might still go down or try to give us that downtrend structure, I think at the end of the day, we will still have to see a nice reversal, which is going to be aggressive before we see another push to the lower side. I hope maybe you see that. I hope you see that. So at the moment, the market, I think, created a very nice structure there. We can say it's a potential support, maybe around this area also. That might also be another structure. But the best one is going to be around this level where the market actually took a nice breakout. Maybe the market might reach that before we see a nice continuation of a sell. It's like AI did not really come with much of a change. We did besides ChatGPT. What else do we have that is quite productive at the moment? I think there's nothing much. At the moment, there is nothing much. We don't really have robots where maybe we can say they're already waking. We don't really have self-driving cars at the moment, even if they're still trying. So I think AI is a good product, or we can just call it a good feature that will actually work some days, not at the moment. Maybe next year or maybe 2 years or 3 years, I think things will be developing very quick. But at the moment, I think we just rushed to to buy anything that has to do with AI. There is Copilot PCs, but are they really productive that much? Are you going to use AI like left and right? I don't really see that much. We also have AI. My laptop has this AI thing, but I don't really see myself using it that much. You see, yes, it's quite smart, but nothing different, man. It's just the same information that we had before, but it can just summarize that very quick and simple. But I don't really see it as something that is crazy big. It's big, but it's not really the way they hyped it, you see. That's why maybe we see the sales. And there is a room, I think, that can give us another room, maybe to see a nice recovery before we see another sell. Before things goes back to normal, then we can see maybe some proper reversals. But at the moment, I think everything is overhyped. So be extra careful around these levels. Yes, we might have maybe a reversal, but as we already broke out, I think maybe the market might try to continue with that sell. Remember, we are coming on this from this uptrend. We might still have a downtrend. So it's not like we have to move with an uptrend only. I hope maybe that makes sense. So on S&P 500, quite similar structure. This doesn't really make sense around this. But yeah, let me not force that. I think I have to throw it here. And maybe this one, it's supposed to be there. You see, that one makes sense. So this is a structure that we have on S&P 500. We can easily see that, yeah, we are coming from a very nice uptrend structure. We had a breakout, so maybe the market will be trying to retest around that level. And I think maybe, yeah, we can just scalp with it there. I think we can just play around with the structure. I think maybe the market might try to recover, but this candlestick, remember, we also had quite similar recovery, but the market reversed again. So what's different today? So we will have to see. So we don't really have to just go with the structure where it's going. Let's wait for a proper structure before we jump in. I hope that makes sense, right? So let's push to the next one. So on your S&P, I'm still actually bearish unless if the market breaks out of this resistance, then I can change my mind. But at the moment, I think let's wait for the market to do its thing. So US oil is still trying to recover. This is what we have. You can see that we are coming from a very nice downtrend structure. I removed my webcam so that you can see nicely. So this is what we have at the moment. So the market has been going down very nice. We had a smaller trend, but now the market is going down. So do we call this a downtrend or something? I think the market will end up continuing with the previous trend. As you can see, it seems like the market is trying to give us a structure that we can call a nice downtrend, but it needs to be clear to a point where we can say, you know what, let's take a sell. I think this is a nice resistance that we can use to take our sell positions. But we'll have to read through this trend just to understand what's really happening. Is the market giving us or continuing with something like that? We have to be on the right side of the market. Or maybe if we have to draw another trend there, we can do that. But at the moment, I think we need to focus on this structure and see. Yeah, I think that makes sense. You can see that. That makes sense. Let's go on 1 hour. Maybe on 1 hour, you can see it nicely. See that? So that to me, it's a nice resistance that we can use to take trades. Already the market is showing us that it's going down. Already the market is showing us that. So it means we need to be extra careful not to miss this nice trade. But remember, this structure seems to be trying to consolidate. So unless if maybe you just want to scalp this, that can be a very good idea. But yeah, it's fine. I think it's fine. A nice sell there. Around this area, you can just get out around this because the market might reverse very quick. So I think that can actually give us something around this level. So I hope maybe you understand. I hope you enjoyed the updates. So thank you very much. For those who wants to be part of the team, scan that QR code. Let me know. We still have that special. Talk to me. We have that. You can pause the video and talk to me and be part of the team so that we can start to eat together. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one.